500 ISO, 3.6 aperture. I'm on the 5th dot of the filter. Only thing yellow are these two white trucks and a little bit of the sky on the left and the back of this white Expedition on the left. Let's see what the banding, what the filter looks like. 6.3 on the aperture though. Not really liking that. That white truck that just drove by was all yellow also. I'm in S-Log 3, so let's see what we can do. Okay. The filter ring is on the 4th dot. The aperture is now f14, and nothing is yellow. None of the sky, none of the trucks. ISO is still 500. Yeah, 500. Shutter speed stayed at 150. 4K 24p, just like the other video. Five is the f-stop. The filter ring is on the 6th dot. Everything else the same, 50. On the shutter speed, 24p, 4K. Only a little bit of yellow on the expedition to the left, and a little bit of yellow on the truck farthest to the right. The white truck farthest to the right. No sky yellow. I'm gonna have to push it to the limit so I can bring my aperture down. Alright, this is probably pushed to the limit. The filter is almost to the 7th dot before it started the banding or the switches. We're on 3.5 aperture, and most of the sky is yellow. All three white trucks are yellow. A little bit, the concrete in front of the trucks and behind this expedition is yellow too. Shining. Now who on top of this? Okay. 2000. ISO 1.4 aperture. 50 shutter speed. Very little yellow. Overexposing to see how bringing it down can affect the noise. The aperture ring is on 1, 2, 3, the 4th dot. Everything the same as the last video, except for the ISO is at 12,800, and I made it a little brighter. It's a little bit more yellow on the screen. The aperture is still at 1.4, 50 shutter speed, 4K 24p. A little brighter than the last video. It's a big piece of yellow. Is that the picture? the wall in front of the picture to the left. 32,000 ISO. A lot of yellow on the wall. See if we can bring it down and kill the noise. 5.6 aperture. Third dot on the ring. 50 shutter speed. 500 ISO, 1.4 aperture. The ND filter is off. No yellow on the wall at all. This me? We good to go?